Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Milena's got a new hairstyle on. She rarely uses this hairstyle because she doesn't like it, but today it's actually not so bad. I think. I can't tell really, I can't see it clearly, but kind of looks like my hair is all wet and washed down, which I don't like normally, but it's not, I don't think it's as bad today, but I can't tell because I don't know what it looks like from here, from the viewing of the mini screen, but alright guys, click the subscribe button for me everyone, thank you.